sit down کینا sit down come with me ما سره راځه come with me don't make a noise شور مکوا don't make a noise don't fight جګړه مکوا don't fight is someone there آیا دغلته څوک شته is someone there there is no need to go د تللو ضرورت نشته there is no need to go don't make me angry ما قاروه ما don't make me angry give up bad habits خراب عادتونه پرېږده give up bad habits try to understand د پوهېدو کوشش وکړه try to understand make me understand ما پوه کړه make me understand bask in the sun لمر ته تود شه bask in the sun stay there دغلته اوسه stay there don't waste your time خپل وخت مه خرابوه don't waste your time I will go myself زه به په خپله لاړ شم I will go myself you go yourself ته په خپله لاړ شه you go yourself postpone the work کار وځنډوه postpone the work be sensible پوه جوړ شه be sensible ask me question ما نه سوال وکړه ask me question tell me your age خپل عمر راته ووایه tell me your age please forgive me مهرباني وکړه ما معاف کړه please forgive me I am thirsty زه تږی یم I am thirsty look around خواوشا وګوره look around don't lose heart همت مه بایله don't lose heart don't call me ما ته زنګ مه وهه don't call me he is needy هغه اړمن دی یعنی ضرورتمند دی he is needy he look puzzled هغه ستونزمن ښکاري یعنی په الجن کې ښکاري he look puzzled I told you ما تا ته ویلی وو I told you put on the shoes پایزار په خپو کړه put on the shoes take up the shoes پایزار وکاږه take up the shoes یعنی پایزار د خپو نه وکاږه switch up the mobile فون بند کړه switch up the mobile don't create a scene تماشه مه جوړوه don't create a scene don't gesture اشاره مه کوه don't gesture It's so cold today. نن ډېره یخني ده. It's so cold today. Don't drink cold water. यही اوبه مسکا. Don't drink cold water. Please give me some water. مال در سره لګي اوبه راکړه. Please give me some water. Still I don't know. ما ته اوس هم پته نشته. Still I don't know. I am sick. زه ناروغه یم. I am sick. Don't lie to me. ما ته دروغ مه وایه. Don't lie to me. Follow me. ما تعقیب کړه. Follow me. Please move aside. لږ یو طرف ته شه. Please move aside. What do you do? ته څه کار کوي. What do you do? Who are you? ته څوک یې. Who are you? Latch the door. دروازه کونډه کړه. Latch the door. Unlatch the door. د دروازې کونډه لر کړه. Unlatch the door. Keep the door fully open. دروازه ټوله کولاو پرېږده. Keep the door fully open. Keep the clothes properly. جامې په سمه توګه کېږده. Keep the clothes properly. Don't mess up. اپله دې پله مه چنګه. Don't mess up. Put the clothes on hangers. جامې کونډو ته ولګوه. Put the clothes on hangers. Shut the mouth while eating. د خوراک په وخت خبرې مه کوه. Shut the mouth while eating. Hammer a nail here. دلته میخ ټک وهه. Hammer a nail here. I can't find my mobile. ما خپل موبایل ونه مندو. I can't find my mobile. What are you looking for? ته څه شیز ګورې. What are you looking for? My mobile charger. زما د موبایل چارجر. My mobile charger. Peel up the apple. مڼه سپینه کړه. Peel up the apple. Turn the volume up. आवाज تیز کړه. Turn the volume up. Turn the volume down. आवाज ورو کړه. Turn the volume down. Keep the TV on. TV چالو پرېږده. Keep the TV on. Don't spoil your eyes. خپلې سترګې مه خرابوه. Don't spoil your eyes. Switch on the fan. پنکه چالو کړه. Switch on the fan. Switch off the fan. پنکه بند کړه. Switch off the fan. Wear this. دا واغونده. Wear this. I am leaving. زه ځم. I am leaving. Let her speak. پرېږده چې هغه خبرې وکړي. Let her speak. Touch wood. چرته د نظره نشي. touch wood. By God's grace I am safe. د خدای په فضل زه خوندي یم. خوندي یم یعنی محفوظ یم. By God's grace I am safe. The wind is still. هوا بنده ده. The wind is still. Watch out. خیال کوا. Watch out. It's all yours. دا خپل وګڼه. It's all yours. Try to go there. هلته د تللو کوشش وکړه. Try to go there. Shut up. خوله بند کړه. Shut up. Boil the eggs. هګۍ ویشوه. Boil the eggs. The fan is running fast. پنکه تیزه چلیږي. The fan is running fast. The fan is running slow. پنکه ورو چلیږي. The fan is running slow. Get it fixed. دا سم کړه. Get it fixed. I have a mobile. ما سره یو موبایل دی. I have a mobile. I need a pillow. زما یو بالښ پکار دی. I need a pillow. It's terrible hot today. نن ډیره زیاته ګرمي ده. It's terrible hot today. What are you playing? ته د څه لوبه کوې؟ What are you playing? He passed away. هغه مړ شوی. He passed away. Just think. لږ سوچ وکړه. Just think. Calm down. سړه خوره. Calm down. It's freezing outside. بهر ډیر یخ دی. It's freezing outside. She is expecting a baby. د هغې حمل دی. She is expecting a baby. His wife is expecting a baby. د هغه د ښځې حمل دی. His wife is expecting a baby. You can count on me. ته په ما اعتبار کولی شي. You can count on me. I am doing dishes. زه لوښي انځم. I am doing dishes. Are you out of mind? ته لیونی یې کو. Are you out of mind? I am so sad. زه ډیر خفه یم. I am so sad. Listen to me. زما خبره واوره. Listen to me. It's not a laptop. دا لیپټاپ نه دی. It's not a laptop. Why are you angry? ته ولې قاری؟ Why are you angry? Don't annoy me. ما تنګوم ما. Don't annoy me. Please get in. مهرباني وکړه دننه راځه. Please get in. Who did it? دا چا وکړو. Who did it? Why did you say that? تا داسې ولې وویل. Why did you say that? Soap the clothes. پجامو صابون ولګوه. Soap the clothes. Brush the clothes. جامې په برش صفا کړه. Brush the clothes. Don't brush my clothes. زما جامی په برش مه صفا کوه. Don't brush my clothes. Iron the clothes. جامی استری کړه. Iron the clothes. Fold the clothes. جامی ونغاړه. Fold the clothes. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.